Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Maytag brand dryer and on the display you're getting an E1 error and you're trying to figure out how to get rid of this error and get your dryer working again. So the good news is that most of the time, this is just a fault on the control panel, and okay, worst case scenario, your control panel is actually faulty and you'll need to have it replaced. But most of the time, the E1 error can be cleared out with a simple hard reset of your dryer. So all you need to do that is to go ahead and power off your dryer and then disconnect it from power by either unplugging it at the wall or turning it off at the breaker and leaving it disconnected from power, for 1 to 5 minutes, and then to let everything clear out of the control panel, and then restoring power and running a cycle. And once you do that, you can turn it back on, and hopefully the error does not come back. If it does come back, then you may need to replace the control